guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recall mail in Outlook. So let's get started. First, you need to know is that recall only works if both people use Microsoft Exchange Outlook organization accounts. The recipient has not opened the email yet. So what you gotta do is first of all sign into your Outlook account, and then you gotta click on the sent items over here. After that, you gotta double click on the message that you have sent, and then you gotta simply click on the three dots, or you'll be able to see action button. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see a button that says recall this message, and then you can choose if you wish to delete the unread copies or delete unread copies and replace with a new message, and then click OK. But if you don't see the recall option, then you may be using Outlook Web or Gmail, Pop, IMAP account. So recall mainly works in company work or Microsoft Exchange accounts. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.